Magandang gabi, Tagalog learners! Para sa mga nahihirapan sa pagbigkas sa mga Tagalog na salita na may nga, gaya ng sanga, bunga, nganga, tanga, halimbawa lang yan, para sa inyo ang video na to. Good evening, Tagalog learners! For those having a hard time saying Tagalog words with the nga sound, like sanga, bunga, nganga, tanga, it's just an example. This video is for you. Sa video na to, tutulungan ko kayong mag-practice at hopefully at sana ma-improve yung Tagalog pronunciation nyo ng nga. On this video, I'm going to help you practice and hopefully improve your Tagalog word pronunciation with nga. So let's start. Let's say singer. Guys, I want you to say the words with me. Singer. So now, let's forget about the last letter of the word, which is the letter R. And let's say the word again. Singi, singo, singu, singu, singa, 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 singa. Well, there, you just said your first Tagalog word, singa. And yes, we repeated the word many times because that's the purpose of it, for you to get used to the ng or the nga sound. Singa. Singa is a root word. So, for example, to tell someone to blow your nose, here, blow your nose. Eto, isinga mo yan. Isinga mo yan. Let's say, singer. Singer. Singil. Singil. Singer. Singil. Ngil. Ngil. Singil. Singil. To singil someone is to ask them to pay their utang. My third Tagalog word for you guys is sing-sing. Sing. Well, the first syllable, think of it as an English word. The word sing. Sing. Do you know how to sing? Sing. Sing, 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 sing. So you just said your Tagalog word, sing, sing. Sing, sing means ring. Not sang, sang, but sing, sing. May isa pa akong Tagalog word para sa inyo. The word is banga. Banga. Ba-nga. Bang. Bang. Bang-a. Bang-a. Ulit-ulitin lang natin. Bang-a. Bang-a. Bang-a, 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 bang-a. And hopefully, before you know it, you're saying banga. Ngayon, now, can you say the Tagalog words that I said earlier? Kanina? Bunga. Bunga. Sanga. Sanga. Nganga. Nganga. So, ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog video lesson ngayong gabi. So, that's all for our Tagalog video lesson tonight. Sana nakatulong ito. Hopefully, it helped. At kung nakatulong man po sa inyo and just in case it helped you, please let me know. Mag-iwan po kayo ng comment sa ibaba. Yun lang. That's all.